What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple homemade breakfast sausage right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. Now, I love a good breakfast sausage with my eggs in the morning, but the problem with store-bought breakfast sausages is that they're full of preservatives. So we're gonna be making a super simple breakfast sausage using ground pork. In a bowl, I have half a pound of ground pork, and to that, I'm gonna add 1 clove of minced garlic. And here I have a fresh herb mixture, which contains 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, along with a half teaspoon each of chopped fresh thyme, sage, and rosemary. And then I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then the main ingredient that really makes this breakfast sausage taste like sausage, 2 teaspoons of dried fennel seeds. All right, so once everything is well combined, we're gonna shape these into discs about 1/2 inch thick and maybe 2 to 3 inches wide. And then we're gonna cook them about 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium heat in a pan with butter. Once our sausages are cooked through, we're gonna take them out of the pan and onto a paper towel lined plate before eating. And there you have a simple, healthy, and preservative-free sausage, perfect to go with your breakfast. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.